Major Vehicle Exchange presents 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan Handicap van for sale. Stock number A5172. We have a great selection for church, shuttle service, senior service, medical ambulette transportation, and personal use. This van is in excellent condition both inside and out. Ready to hit the road, the van has been just serviced and checked out. The handicap conversion features a side wheelchair ramp for easy wheelchair access. Every option works on this van, was well built with superior quality. This is for the person, family, or medical transportation operator looking for best condition lowest mileage wheelchair van we have to offer. The van runs and drives with no mechanical issues. The engine and transmission operation is smooth, powerful, and fuel efficient due to front wheel drive. The van is extremely clean and was just detailed from bumper to bumper. Fully loaded with features like power windows, mirrors, door locks, backup alarm, and dual climate controls. Perfect for city driving and long trips with features like cruise control and economy mode. The wheelchair ramp operates exactly how it should. On-road performance is fantastic and suspension feels great. The 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive shifts smoothly without hesitation and drivetrain feels like new. The van has a rugged and dependable 3.6 liters V6 Triton gas engine which delivers superb power and performance under load. This used wheelchair ramp van has numerous features like 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan chassis with 56 inches sliding left and right door, lower body side cladding, 54 inches fold-out manual wheelchair side ramp, power mirrors, doors, and windows, removable front seats, cruise control and tilt wheel. 91,670 miles, front and rear air conditioning, premium sound with AM/FM CD stereo system and backup alarm, transmission door interlock system, overhead lighting, slip-resistant floor, 2-passenger fold-up seat, Q-strain automatic wheelchair tie-downs. Finally, tires are in very good to excellent condition with substantial amount of tread remaining. For more information on disused wheelchair ramp van for sale visit Major Vehicle Exchange at 516-333-7483 today.